Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that can literally change your life, building passive income, and we're not just talking about today. We're looking ahead, strategizing for 2026 because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is right now. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep, traveling without worrying about work, or just having more financial freedom, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'm going to break down 5 powerful, realistic strategies you can start working on today to build a significant passive income stream in the USA by 2026. Let us get into it. First up, let's talk about the foundation of modern passive income, digital products. This isn't just about writing an ebook, although that's a great start. Think bigger. By 2026, the demand for specialized digital knowledge will be even higher. We're talking online courses, exclusive templates, high-quality stock photos and videos, or even software plugins. The beauty of a digital product is that you create it once, and it can sell thousands of times over, 24/7, without you lifting another finger. So how do you start? Identify a skill you have that others want to learn. Are you great at graphic design? Create a set of Canva templates? Are you a coding whiz? Build a simple app or a website theme. A fitness expert? Design a digital workout plan. Spend the next year building a high-value product. Don't rush it. Quality is everything. While you're building, start creating free, valuable content around that topic on social media or a blog. This builds your audience and establishes your authority. By the time you launch your product, you'll have a warm audience eager to buy it. This is the ultimate work smart, not hard strategy. Our second strategy is one of the most reliable and time-tested methods: dividend stock investing. Now, don't let the word investing intimidate you. This isn't about risky day trading. We're talking about buying shares in solid, established companies that pay you a portion of their profits just for being a shareholder. These payments are called dividends. Think of it like being a silent partner in some of the biggest companies in the world. To get started for 2026, the key is consistency. Open a brokerage account. There are many user-friendly, low-fee options available now. Focus on dividend aristocrats or kings. These are companies that have a long history of consistently increasing their dividend payments year after year. Instead of trying to time the market, adopt a strategy called dollar cost averaging. This means you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, say $100 every month. By doing this, you average out your purchase price over time. And here's the magic part: reinvest your dividends. Most platforms let you do this automatically. This creates a compounding effect where your dividends start earning their own dividends. It might start small, but over a few years, this snowball can grow into a serious, hands-off income stream. Moving on to strategy number 3, and it's a big one: real estate, but with a modern twist. I'm not just talking about buying a rental property, which can be very hands-on. I'm talking about real estate investment trusts, or REITs. A REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing real estate across a range of property sectors. When you buy a share of a REIT, you're essentially buying a small piece of a massive portfolio of properties like shopping malls, apartment buildings, or office towers. Why is this great for passive income? Because REITs are legally required to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. This often results in higher dividend yields compared to many stocks. It gives you the benefits of real estate investing, like diversification and potential appreciation, without the headaches of being a landlord. You don't have to fix leaky toilets or screen tenants. You can buy and sell REITs on the stock market just like any other stock, making them incredibly liquid. For a 2026 goal, start researching different types of REITs: residential, commercial, industrial, and gradually build a diversified portfolio. It's the easiest way to become a real estate mogul from your living room. Alright, strategy number 4 is perfect for the creative minds out there: building a niche media brand. This sounds grand, but it's simpler than you think. It means creating focused content around a specific topic you're passionate about. This could be a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even a highly specialized blog. The key word here is niche. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Instead of a general cooking channel, how about a channel focused solely on vegan baking for beginners? Instead of a broad tech review podcast, what about one dedicated to smart home gadgets for apartment living? The goal for the next 2 years is to consistently produce high-quality, helpful content. Your initial focus isn't money, it's building a loyal community. As your audience grows, the passive income opportunities will follow. On YouTube, you can earn ad revenue. With a podcast or blog, you can use affiliate marketing, where you recommend products you love and earn a commission on sales. Once your content is created and published, it lives online forever, potentially earning you money for years to come. An old video or blog post can suddenly go viral, bringing in a new wave of income. This is a long game, but it's one of the most rewarding and scalable passive income models for the future. Our fifth and final strategy for 2026 is creating a subscription-based community or service. This is the holy grail of recurring revenue. People are craving connection and exclusive access more than ever. If you've built expertise in a certain area, maybe through your digital products or media brand, you can offer a premium experience. This could be a paid newsletter with your best insights, a private community group on a platform like Discord or Patreon where members get direct access to you and each other, or software as a service tool that solves a specific problem. Let's say you're a career coach. You could offer a monthly subscription that gives members access to exclusive workshops, resume templates, and a private forum for job-seeking support. The value here is ongoing. Unlike a one-time product sale, a subscription provides predictable monthly income. To prepare for 2026, start by building your free community first. Offer immense value upfront. Once you've established trust and a loyal following, you can introduce a paid tier. The key is to make the premium offering so valuable that it's a no-brainer for your most dedicated followers to sign up. This creates a stable, scalable business that truly works for you. So there you have it, 5 powerful strategies to start building your passive income empire for 2026. Let us do a quick recap. 1. Create and sell high-value digital products. 2. Consistently invest in dividend-paying stocks and reinvest the earnings. 3. Invest in REITs for real estate exposure without the landlord hassle. 4. Build a niche media brand on a platform like YouTube or through a podcast. And 5. Launch a subscription-based community for recurring revenue. The most important takeaway is this: passive income is rarely passive at the start. It requires a significant upfront investment of time, work, or money. But by choosing a strategy that aligns with your skills and interests, and by staying consistent over the next couple of years, you can build systems that will pay you back for years to come. Don't try to do all 5 at once. Pick one that resonates with you, do your research, and commit to it. Imagine where you could be in 2026 earning money from work you did months or even years ago. The freedom that comes with that is absolutely priceless. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this gave you the inspiration and the practical steps to get started on your passive income journey. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future videos on building wealth and financial freedom. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep building.